Hello and happy Friday. So you got your individual code done and you already submitted your individual code. That was yesterday's assignment. So today the next thing would be combining our code to make sure it works. Okay. So if we look at 10.2, what you would first do is make your code available to everyone else. So you need to do this right away so they can put it together. So what you do is hit share and then copy this code here and then just copy it and then email it to your 2 or 3 other partners, whoever you have. And when they get it, it'll look something like this to them. Now this is a different project, right? But what you would do and they would do is you can read this, but I'm just showing it to you now. But you would go to 4 and let's say this wasn't there. Sorry about that. Actually, no, I first have to get my code in there. So I'm going to go to show text for mine. I'm going to Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go to into here and paste my code and go back to show blocks if I want. And I could run my code and say, okay, that still works great. And then what I'm going to take is look at my friend's code, whether it be 2 or 3 other people. I'm going to hit view code. And again, you have to email yours out to make it available to them. I'm going to highlight theirs and Control C to copy. I think I can do it this way, or it might need text mode, I'm not sure. And then I'll go down to the bottom, and let's say the house is supposed to happen after or whatever. I can hit paste. It didn't work, so I do have to go to show text mode, I guess. I wasn't sure. Copy, go into here, make sure my cursor is at the bottom here. Sometimes it's hard, so I'm just going to go to show text mode. Click at the very bottom, and hit paste. And then go back to show blocks. Alright, so what it should have added then is, if I run this, it should add a house. Okay, I know it's really lame, it's just an example though. And so when I run it, let's see. And wait, I didn't do anything. So what's going on, right? Well, you got to remember that their code runs first, and so you have to figure out why it ended that way. So either the person who sent it should maybe think, oh, I forgot to do pen down. See, they have a pen up in here, but you need yours to be pen down. So maybe you need some sort of transition to happen, or you could have it pen down after it runs this. So either way, I need something in the middle here, so I'm going to do pen down right here before it runs. So let's run it again. So you're always going to have these issues. It's like, whoa, what the heck's happening there? It's not at the right angle. But if you look where it finished last time, without the other code, it wasn't upright even. But I don't think that's the issue. So right now it's green, and last time it was black, right? But again, look, it was green and it was see-through. So there's all these little things that you might have to fix in between that. So let's do pen color, and we just want black. And it looks like it's huge. So if we look, what they did pen with 200, that was just totally unnecessary. So I'm going to throw that one out. I'm going to run that again. Okay, we're getting closer, but yeah, it's not in the right spot. So again, it's one of those things where before yours run, you kind of have to reset everything to the way it was before the next person starts. So it looks like we need to move to, maybe we need to move it back into, not move to, they're separate. Maybe we need to just move it back in the middle of the screen. So maybe I'll do 200, something like that. All right, oh. Should have did pen down after the move, I guess. And it needs to be upright. So when we finished, it was like this after drawing the bushes. So maybe we need to turn to, and then 0 is what we would want there. There we go. And you're like, hey, the Y position isn't quite right. Maybe it needs to be 300 or something. All right, cool. So if that's what the picture should end up looking like, you're all set right there. And what I would ask you to do then is, you don't need to copy your whole code in. This time, you just use your Chromebook screen capture, or you can use a snipping tool, and you can just give me the final look right here. So I'm going to copy that, and then hit no, and then you could put it in here. Okay, I'll add a little document that says paste image here. Actually, I can do that right now, can't I? I can do create document. Uh-oh. I guess I've never done it this way. Maybe I can't do it on screencasting. It should work just fine though. Create document. Okay. Anyways, you're going to paste your image in here, though, and you'll turn it in for your group. I want everyone to do this, not just the one person. Okay? All right, good luck. See you.